morning, K1. What day is today? Today is Monday. Monday. Today is Monday. Very good. So what day was yesterday? Sunday. Sunday, Monday. And what day is tomorrow? Tuesday. Very good. Monday, Tuesday. Last week we learned all about our toys. But when we finish playing, where do we put our toys? Where do they go? In the toy box. Toy box. Very good, K1. Do you have a toy box? Very good. For homework, can you show me? Good job. Choo-choo. Who can remember what this one is? Choo-choo. It's a train. Very good. Okay, K1, let's be a train. Choo-choo. Can I see? Very good. Well done. It's a train. It's a train. Very good. Oh, it's so cute, but what is it? What is it? It's a teddy bear. Good. It's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. Very good, K1. Do you have a teddy bear? Can I see? So cute. Very, very good. Well done, K1. Now, do you remember this one? It's not a teddy bear. This one goes on our hands. This one is a puppet. Puppet. It's a puppet. It's a puppet. It's a puppet. What is it? It's a puppet. Very good. What animal is it? It's a lion. Yes. Show me lion. Yes. Very, very good. Well done, K1. Who can tell me what this one is? It's a doll. It's a doll. It's a doll. Very good. Is it a girl or a boy? A girl or a boy? Girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. Fantastic. Well done. Who knows what this one is? Boing, 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 boing. It's a ball. It's a ball. It's a ball. Very good. Okay, K1, stand up. Stand up. Okay. Show me bounce a ball. Boing, 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 boing. Wow, so much fun. Very good, K1. What's this one? Is it a train? No. Is it a car? No. Is it a bicycle? No. It's a boat. Very good. It's a boat. It's a boat. Okay, K1, stand up again. Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Very good. Boat. Boat. It's a boat. It's a boat. Fantastic. Now, what animal is this? An elephant? A giraffe? Monkey. Very good. Where is the monkey? Where is he? He's in the toy box. He's in the toy box. And he's looking at his toys. Now, K1, come here. I need your help now. The monkey wants the teddy bear. Can you find the teddy bear for me? Where's the teddy bear? Teddy bear? No. Teddy bear, good. So we're going to give the monkey the teddy bear. I want the teddy bear. Very good. Number 2. The monkey wants the boat. Where's the boat? Where's the boat? Very good. Whee! And number 3, the monkey wants the doll. He wants the doll. Which one's the doll? Yes! Good job! Now, last little bit. Who can remember what shapes these are? Are they circles? Circles? No. Are they triangles? No. They are square. Square. Come here. Come here. With your finger, let's draw a square. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. It is a square. Your turn. It is a square. Fantastic, K1. Well done. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, guys.